And Brenda, meeting you at the Email Deliverability Conference was truly the highlight of my year. You are like a breath of fresh air in an inbox full of... Oh, well, you get it. Anyway, I can't stop thinking about our conversations about open rates and A/B testing. I hope to see you at the next conference. XOXO, Ben. You can craft the most beautifully engaging email, but what good is it if it ends up in the dreaded spam folder? No one wants their masterpiece to meet such a tragic end. That's why today we're talking about spam filters, what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how to make sure your emails land in the right inbox where they belong. Imagine spam filters as highly sophisticated gatekeepers of your subscribers' inbox. Their job is to sift through the mountains of emails flooding in every day to identify which ones are legitimate and which ones are unwanted junk. They use a complex system of rules and algorithms to analyze incoming emails, looking for telltale signs of spam. So, how do you convince these digital gatekeepers to let your emails pass? First, let's talk about your email list itself. While it might seem like a quick way to reach more people, it will ultimately damage your sender reputation, leading to low engagement, potential spam complaints, and even account suspension. Purchase lists contain people who haven't actually signed up to hear from you, making them far less likely to engage with your content and much more likely to mark your emails as spam. Instead, focus on growing your email list organically by attracting subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. We've got a great video on the topic, check it out in the link in the description. Also, clean your list. Only email active subscribers, people who've opened or clicked at least once in the last 180 days. Keeping unengaged folks on your list just hurts your reputation and increases the risk of landing in spam. Also, choosing your email marketing platform is a huge deal. You want a platform with a proven track record, one that ISPs already trust. Platforms like Sender have a strong reputation and even offer features specifically designed to keep your emails out of spam. Next up, your domain name. This is your digital address, and just like a physical address, it comes with a certain reputation. Imagine getting a letter from a sketchy part of town versus a well-known neighborhood. Which one seems more trustworthy? Buying your domain from an established registrar is like choosing that trustworthy neighborhood for your digital address. Now, there's something called DNS records. These are crucial for email authentication. Specifically, you need to set up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. They're a little bit technical, but basically they verify that your emails are actually coming from you and not some scammer pretending to be you. These records aren't just fancy acronyms. They're essential if you want Gmail, Outlook, and other inboxes to trust you. Without them, your emails might not get delivered at all. Don't worry about the technical details too much just now. We've included a link in the description where you can find out how to easily verify those records. And heads up, if you're sending to Outlook users, Microsoft recently rolled out stricter rules. One of the big ones, no more reply email addresses in promotional campaigns. So yeah, no reply at yourbrand.com. Time to retire it. Email deliverability depends on a smooth journey through several points. Think of them as a flowchart. Your email leaves your server, travels to the recipient's domain, and hopefully lands in their inbox. However, roadblocks can appear at any stage. It could be a problem with your specific email address, your entire sending domain, or even the email server itself. Understanding where the blockage occurs is the first step to fixing it. Even with a perfect setup, issues can still pop up, so continuously monitor your email performance across different providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. Each has its own filtering quirks, meaning an email that sails through Gmail might get snagged by Outlook spam filter. A sudden drop in open rates or a spike in bounces is a red flag, a likely indicator you're landing in spam folders or being blocked entirely. Don't just look at overall performances, analyze the data by provider to pinpoint the source of any deliverability issues. Want to go deeper on that? We've linked a guide in the description that breaks down Outlook's new requirements and how to stay compliant. Now let's dive into what's inside those emails and how to make them spam filter proof. Okay, so you've got a brand new IP address or domain. Congrats. You're ready to start emailing, right? Well, hold your horses for a second. you need to warm it up first. Basically, you don't want to go from 0 to 100 overnight. Start slow with your emails and increase the number you send gradually. This way, email providers get to know you and can see you're not some spammer. They'll be much more likely to let your emails land in inboxes. Also, regularly test your email deliverability. Are your emails actually reaching the inbox? Verify those DNS records, make sure you're not on any block list, and see how your emails perform across different email providers. Think Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, you name it. Finally, keep a close eye on your email marketing metrics. Your bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, open rate, click-through rate. These are like your email's report card. They'll tell you what's working and what needs improvement so that you can adjust your strategy for even better results. Most email marketing platforms make it easy to track these metrics. And remember, when you're emailing, avoid super salesy phrases or spam trigger words like 100% free, guaranteed results, make millions, or click here. Instead, focus on providing valuable, engaging content that your audience actually wants to read. Next up, visuals. Images can be great, but too many can set off those spam alarms. Think balanced and appealing. A good ratio of text to images keeps things looking good for both your readers and those spam filters. Remember, building a strong sender reputation takes time and effort, but by following these tips, you'll increase your chances of landing in the inbox and avoiding the dreaded spam folder. Even if you avoid the spam folder, your emails might still land in the promotions tab, and while not as bad, it's still not ideal. Segment your audience, personalize your content, and focus on sending timely and relevant emails to increase your chances of landing in the primary inbox. How? Learn this and more by watching our videos on segmentation and automation. That's a wrap for today. Have any questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy emailing.